everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lexi, and I'm back with another video. Okay, obviously I'll be back, but today's video is all about super quick hairstyle. Whether your twister failed, whether your twister didn't come out that good, whether your twister pull out wet, whether your twister even look bad when you just don't want it down like this. It's hot. This is the video for you. I'm gonna need y'all to subscribe. Yeah, I'm gonna need y'all to subscribe though. I give y'all content. The least we can do is subscribe to my channel. But anyways, let's get into the video. Make sure y'all subscribe. For these hairstyles, I'll be using a old twist out as my base. You can use whatever you want. You can achieve the style either way. So to go into my first look, I'm going for something cute, classy, yet easy to achieve. And all I do is pin up the back and leave out some of my hair in the front. And just like that, I get something that is cute, classy, and I can wear it anywhere. Okay, so now for the second look, I'm sectioning my hair in two portions. The back part is greater than the front part, as you guys can see, because I don't want too much hair in the front. After that, I put away the back to make sure I don't snag on my hair. And now I'm going to use my Eco Styler gel. Not a lot, you don't need a lot, but if you choose to snatch, you know, your hair and make it look extra neat, that's fine. But I wasn't going for that look, so I didn't use a lot of gel. Did went in with some water, as you guys can see. And I'm just going to use a scrunchie to, well, not yet. Apparently, it's still adding. Oh, she brushing. She brushing. Okay. Then I'm going to use a scrunchie without the clamps because I don't want it to snag on my hair. I already have problems like keeping hair in front of my head. I don't think I need assistance with snagging my hair. And now, and just like that, it is finished. See, these styles don't take not even 2 minutes to achieve. So to go into the third look, I realized that, you know, not everybody would like the top part of their hair out. So I'm going into a bun, a messy bun. This doesn't have to be a neat bun. It's super messy. As you guys can see, I tried to limit utensils such as comb throughout this video. It's freehand hairstyles. And the clone is out. She's out. Just like okay, for the fourth look, I'm going for something a little more polished, but at the same time still not super neat, if you get what I'm saying, because I'm showing you that your hair can look nice and not be neat, not be tight, because I see you guys taking away your edges with these hairstyles. So I'm doing a flat twist across. I chose a flat twist and not a braid because I know not everybody can do a braid. But I finished the flat twist into a braid because I didn't have any pin available. So that's a little trick if you want to. And just like that, we have a cute look. Super easy. These hairstyles, as I said before, do not take any time. So I don't want nobody walking around with bush on the head, because you guys could have watched this video and do this hairstyle. Okay, so going into the fifth look, I'm going to shut up because, as you guys can tell, I will talk throughout this entire video. I have no problem talking. So I'm going to shut up and let you guys watch. Okay, so at this moment, the cat is gonna be out of the bag. You guys get to realize that I cannot part to save my life. This is why I limit the comb, because if I part it free, then I have a reason for it not to be even. But I'm using a comb and I still can't get it even. Like, I don't know what's going on, but watch me struggle. Let's see how long Deja takes to get. And I don't need anybody, absolutely nobody, coming for my comb, okay? I was not gonna risk it all and go outside to buy a comb in this nice corona time for a comb, sis. No, this one was gonna work. So, yup. She's still struggling though. Wow, that's crazy. So for this look, I'm also being considered for persons who cannot braid. So I'm going back in with my flat twist, my handy dandy flat twist. And as usual, when I'm finishing my flat twist, I seal it with a braid because sometimes the pins can be uncomfortable and a braid does the job. So just finish it with a braid and repeat the same process on the other side. So I realized that this hairstyle can be a little boring, so I decided to go in with some hair jewelry. I went in with some clamps that I got from a beauty supply store. It's just the cuffs, you know, the cuffs. That's all it is. It's just a little bit extra, but it's still the cuffs, and just accessorize it. And y'all see those edges though? Why you so greedy? So for the seventh look, we're going to manipulate our hair a little more than we did before. So I'm going to be doing 2 flat twists down until it reaches my ears. Then I do a bun. That sounds complex, right? But you guys will see. So as you saw, I spritz my hair down with water because before you manipulate your hair, if your hair is natural, make sure that it is not super dry. Then you'll break your hair. So I use some water. Okay. And then I use the brush to smooth. And now I'm gonna go in with my flat twist again. If you can do a braid, it will work just fine. What we do here is go back, 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 back. I don't understand why I keep trying to do my edges and I keep failing and I'm not learning. See? But you know, practice becomes perfect or almost close to that. So I'ma learn. I'ma learn one day. And look at that. It's super cute. Okay. This hairstyle is not just a one-day hairstyle. If you want to keep it in, then you can, sis. So now I'm going into my favorite, okay, from the day I discovered that my hair can go into one without a string. I rock I rock the life out of this, okay? So I'm gonna put my hair up into a top bun. Okay? My hair can do this, okay? Yeah, man. As you guys can see, I only wrap the scrunchie around my hair 2 to 3 times because you don't want it to be extremely tight because you'll get a headache from this hairstyle. So as you guys can see, I want the volume to remain, but I don't want it to look like a puff. So I'm wrapping some loose strands, like out of place strands, into a bun, and that's how I get my makeshift bun. Now again, I'm trying with the edges. Oh, I gave up this time. Okay. Okay, and just like that, you have a top knot. Okay, it's super easy, super cute. I love this one. I love it. At this moment, I'm like, should I give y'all a next one? So this is like my bonus one. This is my bonus hairstyle. These are my Powerpuff Girls. I don't know if that makes sense, but it makes sense in my head. Now watch. You're gonna realize why I said Powerpuff Girls, and you're gonna be like, okay, I see it. It was funny-ish. Maybe not, but still, y'all will see. At this point, I am trying to get my puffs into bun, but am I the only one who struggled to get both sides to even look like half sisters? Like, you guys gonna see me struggle. Like, watch. So that was the last look. Thank you guys so much. As you guys can tell, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for sticking through the video, and don't forget to like, comment, and last but not least, I'm gonna need y'all to subscribe, sis. So yeah, outside was so hot, and at this point my neighbors started arguing. I was just like, okay, y'all disrespectful much, but let me go and listen, because a lot of time when I come out.